Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sheets Mwangi. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you on how to make chapati mayai and a Chinese veggies samosa. Guys, have you watched my Nigerian food? If not yet watched, I'll put the link here. Go watch, like, share and subscribe. So guys, and now let us get to our today's video. So guys, our today's ingredients are our small tomato here, our onion, our greens, our veggies, our 2 eggs, and our dough, 1 cup dough. So guys, stay tuned as we prepare our today's recipe. So guys, it's time for us to fry our veggies. So guys, watch till the end. Ensure that your onion are golden brown, like that. After that, you add so guys, let's put our greens. So guys, on to our next ingredient. So here we are preparing a small dough for making our chapati mayai. So guys, watch till the end and stay tuned. Subscribe if not yet subscribed. Press the notification bell. So it's about time we use our hands. Guys, while making your dough for this Chinese samosa veggies, do not use your cooking oil because we want our dough not to isijikatanisha tukiweka kwa pan. Unaona? Guys, we want a thin chapati. So both sides. Usingoje iive. Guys, unaona venye unatengeneza za samosa? So guys, it's time to prepare our chapati mayai. So unapasua mayai yako hivyo. You can use as many eggs as you want. Then you can add salt. So guys, it's time to put our egg. If you have a spatula, you can use it. Unapaka hivyo. Then unaweka mafuta yako kumbuka, when we were making our dough,
sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin.
Guys,
Never get lost when
that
thoughts
is
play a
our
win. I'm
chapati.
Mr. Yo, with you. We die
See
with a
how I
purpose. All the
need to
energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface.
Guys,
Had to cut.
follow the instructions from the start to the end. That is how it looks like. Yummy, yummy. You can take it as a breakfast, as a dinner, and more so as a lunch. So guys, let us prepare the Chinese samosa veggies. Guys, on to our next recipe. So nilikuwa already nimepata chumvi, so hii tunapika kama mayai ya kawaida. So guys, and so guys, our Chinese veggie samosa ingredients, our layered chapatis, our egg is ready, our onion, tomato, and coriander, and our steamed veggies. So guys, from here tunaweka kidogo kidogo, tunaweka mayai yetu, tunarudi our onion, our tomatoes, our coriander, our veggies, then tuna mix. When we mix it like that one, we lap it. So when you finish like that, unalap hivyo like that, and that is our Chinese veg. And now guys, our Chinese veggie samosa is ready. That is how it looks like. You can mix like this one, and you can decide to put as a pattern like these ones. So guys, that is the end of our today's video.